Ethan was a 9-year-old boy who was fascinated by the sky. Every night, he set up his telescope by the window and watched the stars. He loved reading books about planets, galaxies, and aliens. His biggest dream was to one day travel to space and discover unknown worlds. One night, while looking at the sky, a strange signal appeared on his telescope screen. There was a message written in green lights on the screen: "Help! Our planet is in danger." Excited, Ethan calculated the direction the message came from and immediately went to his secret workshop. Because Ethan had a special invention nobody knew about, a small spaceship he built himself. He had worked on it for months, assembling parts and running tests. Now it was time to use it. He packed a backpack with some food, a flashlight, a notebook, a pencil, and his favorite star map. Then he got into the spaceship and started the engines. "Seatbelt fastened, engines ready, take off," he said. Gliding among the stars, Ethan reached the small planet from where the signal came after hours of travel. The planet was covered with purple clouds and had soil glowing with green lights, a very strange place. When he landed, small, colorful creatures greeted him. They were called Zorbus. Each was a different color: blue, yellow, pink. They had round heads, big eyes, and short legs. They looked very sad. "Our planet's energy source, the sunlight, is being stolen by a space robot," they said. "If we can't stop it, everything will be plunged into darkness." Ethan immediately rolled up his sleeves. He examined the tower where the robot was collecting energy. He took notes in his notebook and made calculations. Finally, he came up with a plan. "The Zorbus will distract the robot, and I will get inside the control panel to shut down the system." Everything went as planned. The robot was surprised. And Ethan reached the panel and turned off the system. Suddenly, the sunlight brightened the sky again. The planet shone once more. The Zorbus danced around joyfully. One of them gave him a sparkling stone. "This is a symbol of your courage and friendship." Ethan smiled. "I just wanted to help," he said. He got back into his spaceship and waved goodbye to the Zorbus as he returned to Earth. That night, while looking at the stars, he thought to himself, "This is just the beginning. There are many more secrets to discover in space."
Hi, I'm Ethan. Thank you so much for reading my story. It was amazing to share my adventure in the depths of space with you. Never stop dreaming and exploring, because behind every star, there's a new secret waiting to be discovered. See you soon, space friend.